Hello, I'm Nishant from Dark Freak, and it's been a while that I've not made any videos as such. It's been like almost a month, or 1.5 months. I'm getting good response on YouTube, but it's just that I'm not getting enough time to upload videos or investigate or analyze a topic which hasn't been covered yet. Whenever whatever videos you see, my entire video, whatever list I have on in my channel, those are very unique and specific videos. You'll not find those videos in some other channels. Maybe you will, but I always try to uncover something which is not yet covered yet. So that's my whole intention. And I got a very useful tip and a use case for you, wherein this was one of the requirements from my clients when they wanted me to build a report, not only a Power BI report, but also embed an Excel, one of their intranet links, and a PowerPoint slide inside my app in the workspace. Initially, I thought this is not possible, but I did not say it directly. I researched on it whether it can be done or not, and guess what? It can be done. You can embed Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint, and internet links, a Word document, anything which has a link, which is a web link, which can open on the web. You can embed it inside your app on a workspace. This is a really cool feature. I did not know about it. I read about it, and then I implemented it, and the client was like crazy. I mean, the client wanted this to be done in all the reports, because what happens. Power BI report will give you the visuals and all the necessary information you can drill through. You can see, but in Excel, there are tons and tons of people who are still used to work in Excel, and giving them the exact data and what are the numbers behind, and they can manually do all the stuff is really exciting for them. And then obviously a PowerPoint slide would cover all the statistics in a nice printable format, or you can say in a PowerPoint format, which can later be presented, which got built by some other person. But yes, I embedded that. And then one of the links also, which could directly take it to the necessary information, like an intranet link. But yes, so these are the things which I did. Now I'll show you one by one. This is a simple straightforward Power BI report. You have a bar chart, you have a pie chart, and that's it, right? It's just a dummy. And then, wow, this is an Excel. This is just amazing, because here you can see that you're seeing the number itself. If you click on a particular number, you can also go in and directly download the workbook, or you can see the information about this workbook, the link. I'll also explain you how to do it. I'm just showing you what was done. And then if you click here, it'll open the workbook separately in a separate tab. So how to do this now? And this, I've named it as Google. So if you click here, and Google page will open. So imagine the possibilities. You can redirect the user to any link, whatever you want, and then a PowerPoint link. You all are champs who are watching this video. So, and it's not the only, I've embedded only one slide, but you can embed as much as you want. Now, how to do this? How to achieve this? That's the most exciting question is now. Power BI report is simple. You have a data set. You build a Power BI report based on that, and you have embedded in your app, right? Excel. Now the Excel, if you want to embed it here, it needs to be on your OneDrive. It needs to be a web link, because an Excel OneDrive would be a web link, and we can just embed that link inside your app. Now, how to do this? This is my OneDrive app. I mean OneDrive Excel, and I've hosted my Excel on the OneDrive. Now I'll go to File, I'll go to Share, this option, embed this document in your blog or website. You need to click on this. Once you click here, you just see that this embed code. Just copy this entire embed code and just paste it here, right? And then, in fact, one second, you will have this code, but you need to take it from there, from this. You need to delete this iframe HTTP. Just start from HTTP and then till this point. Just take it till this point, and then you copy this link and you go here and you just in the navigation panel of your app, click on Excel. If you click on this icon and select link, I've select link here. That's why when you select link option would come, and then you embed the same Excel. I mean, embed the same link which I've just showed you. And there are three options. In open in a new tab will definitely open in a new tab. Current tab will, you know, take you out of Power BI and open that Excel only. But content area will embed that Excel in the exact reporting link which we have created. This is really an interesting thing, and I'm going to use it a lot. And then group, no group, and then you can just update the app. Similarly, for PowerPoint also, you can host your PowerPoint files in OneDrive, and get the link, embed link here. Isn't it exciting? I really think, because this can do wonders for your report, and extra information is always good. So then you click here and then you update the app. It'll take you to the app, and then you can play around with this. I wanted to show this to you, and I hope you guys use it in future in your report. Anytime you get such a request, then you can refer my video, or in case, even if not, this is an extra thing which you can suggest if they're looking to make a repository, or they they don't want to go to SharePoint or OneDrive and specifically check folders, but they want everything in one, stored in one area. Definitely Power BI app is the solution for that. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll keep you updated. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dax Freak. Thank you so much.